Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact SSD form factor and interface, because compatibility saves time and prevents damage. Once done, backup key data and gather tools, screwdriver, anti-static strap, and an M2 screw if needed. You must power down, unplug, and open the case. Touch the metal chassis to discharge static. This protects components. Next, locate the drive bay or M2 slot so you can proceed immediately with the physical install without pausing to hunt parts. You now fit the SSD into the system, if it's a 2.5 SATA drive, slide it into the bay, connect the SATA data cable and power connector, and screw it down firmly so it won't vibrate. For M2 NVMe, insert at a shallow angle, push it down, and fasten the standoff screw. This ensures proper contact and cooling. Make sure cables are routed away from fans. Good airflow prevents throttling. Once connected, double-check seating and close the case before booting. You boot into BIOS or UEFI to confirm the new SSD appears. This verifies physical connection and correct slot. Once detected, boot the OS and open Disk Management or Disk Utility. Initialize with GPT unless you need MBR, then create and format partitions so the drive is usable. After that, run a quick read/write test and copy a few large files to verify performance and make sure firmware is current. If speeds
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.